It's me, Leah, and today I have a quick little unboxing video of a planner that I'm hoping to use next year in 2022. This is the Everyday Planner by Penelope Pop. It's from a local shop here in the Philippines, and I've actually been curious about this planner for quite a while now. I know that a bunch of my friends got this as their main planner last year, and I was curious. I checked it out, but somehow it didn't make it to my 2021 lineup. However, my lovely friend Shello just gave this to me as a gift. So I'm very excited to finally be able to check it out, and hopefully I'll be able to find a use for it next year. Okay, thanks again, Shallow, for giving me this. And without further ado, let's go to the unboxing. I'll zoom you in and we'll get started. Okay, so first, a disclaimer. I haven't checked out any online images or any posts about this planner for 2022. The last time I checked it out was, I guess, in 2020 when I was considering my 2021 lineup. And I'm sure that it has changed since last year. They probably came up with different features or a different look this time for next year. So we'll see. First of all, I really love the packaging. Very sustainable. Yay, it says it's made of recycled paper. Productivity starts here. Okay, I love the package. I just hope I know how to open it. Oops. Probably did it wrong, but anyway. Oh, here it is. Okay. Ooh, I like this color. Nice and neutral and very minimalist. Okay, there. Every day is embossed on the back. Ooh, okay. Some girl power stickers. I guess this is a freebie from Rustan's. Nice thick paper, but not too thick. Every day. I like the name. Okay, so this is also a goal-oriented planner. So you get this goals spread. So here it lets you list down 3 goals, the description, and I guess a time frame, and then small goals within the 3 big goals. So you get the big picture first, and then you can split the plan into smaller goals. That's nice. Oh, this says professional footprint. Interesting. Keep track of the projects that helped you grow professionally in your full-time job or side hustle, whether you've earned or spent to get there. Cool. So the columns are project description, income, expense, and completion date. So this is like your professional investments. And then this one is your footprint. Professional success aside, what are your past milestones and personal plans for self-improvement? Write them all down here. Very inspiring. I haven't really thought about my career or my personal goals in that way. Okay, you get more your footprint pages. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. Okay, so I'm guessing this is an undated planner. Very nice. So there we have the first month, I'm guessing. And then you get a monthly budget page. What did you spend this month? So interesting. It has several categories like bank, food, restaurant, groceries, transportation, entertainment, shopping, travel, service, charity. Very cool. You can really do your budget in these pages. And then more monthly spending pages. I think that's very realistic that they give you a lot of space for your spending because you can itemize everything. You don't have to group them at all just so that they would fit. Okay, so I guess this is the first week. You get a to-do list here, and then it's broken down into the days, Monday to Sunday. Cool. That's a good amount of space for each day. Okay, so you get 4 spreads, I'm assuming, per month. Weekly pages. Oh, I think you get 5 since this is undated. Oh, nice. I'm loving the monthly dividers. Very pretty. So here's the next month, and then budgeting pages, and then you get the weekly pages. And here's the next monthly page. Here's the cover. Okay, let's skip to the monthlies. Very pretty. Nice. Okay, so you get page markers. These are very aesthetically pleasing colors. I love it. Ooh. I'm loving how pretty it is. This is beautiful. Nice art. Okay, I think that was the last month. And then you get these lined pages for notes. And pretty substantial. You get a bunch of them here for your random notes. Yeah, I think that was the last page. And then there's a pocket. I always appreciate it when planners come with pockets for all the stickers, and it came with stickers. How cool. And I guess that is it. This is how it looks with the elastic. And the cover feels really nice. That texture is kind of velvety. I don't know how to describe it. Wow, this is a pretty planner. I'm very sure that I will end up using this next year now that I've seen how functional and pretty it is. I just don't know what I'll be using it for yet, but we'll see. I'll update you all when I post my 2022 lineup, which will be a while because I haven't even decided on the other planners for next year. I'll make sure that I do a video on it when I have everything. But for now, I'm pretty happy with this planner. It's very nice. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again next time.